For reading and writing today, we are reading these two books, Danny and the Dinosaur by Sid Hoff and Dinosaur Tracks by Susan Gray. So remember to get to the reading portion of your assignment. You click on one of the titles. And remember, if it asks you to sign in and you don't remember the sign in, you can go to the reading instruction slide and look up the username and password. So here you can watch the story, Danny and the Dinosaur. You can read the book, Dinosaur Tracks. And then you can do a word match, fact or fiction, and which came first. And then you can dive deeper by exploring the web and meeting the creators. So when you're done with all of that, then you can click out and go to your writing slide and respond to what you read. So you're going to respond with something you found interesting. Remember, the sentence starter is I notice. So I notice, and when you're done, put a period at the end. Then you're going to record a question that you had. So the sentence starter for that is I wonder. Remember to put a question mark at the end of that. Then you're going to make a connection to what you read. So a sentence starter for that is, this book reminds me of. Don't forget your period at the end. So when you've checked your work and it's your best work and you've got capitals and periods, then you may press the X and the blue turn in button. And then it is super important for you to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. And then you can go on Epic Books to practice your reading, or you can read books at your house. Most of you have received your books from Walmart, and so I know that many of you will have books to read now. All right, happy reading.